Shops like this are a familiar sight in many British towns, but Wrexham's Polish community is one of the largest in the UK and can trace its roots back to the Second World War. Many Poles fought and died on the Allied side. On Churchill's orders, refugee camps and hospitals were built or converted for Polish veterans and their families, and one of the most important was at Penley, near Wrexham. Hundreds of Poles passed through Penley's camp and hospital, and some were still living there as late as the 1960s. One of them was Robert Mazurek's father, a wounded soldier who married one of the nurses who worked there. And you were born here?
Yes, yeah, certainly was. It was fantastic. My memories of living here on the hospital, we had nothing, but we were all happy.
This is what's left, is it?
This is what's left. This used to be the social club. Parties, dances. Once a month they used to have a Polish orchestra that would either come up from Wolverhampton. The tickets were sold out in minutes.
Have you got any proof that these were happy days?
Yeah, this is a picture of my father outside the barrack we used to live in. Pretty basic. This one is, again, my father and pushing me in a pram.
That's you?
That's me, yeah. You know, this was Poland in Wales, if you like, for many of the people that lived on the camp.
A little bit of Poland dropped into North Wales.